Hi everyone, my name is Alfred Bassi, your friendly chartered insurance consultant. Welcome again to my YouTube channel where we're looking at the ABC of insurance for beginners. Today we'll be looking at Module 4, which is going to talk about claims process. Please do remember that insurance is a sure way of protecting yourself, your family, and your business. Very important. So, what are the claims process? The step by step, the claims process. We want to look at the content. What is an insurance claim? Types of claims, steps in making claims, principles applied in claims, reasons claims are rejected, claims settlement methods, importance of claims management, claims process quiz, and a call to action. So we want to find out what is an insurance claim. We want to know what the meaning is. An insurance claim is a formal request made by a policyholder to an insurance company asking for compensation for a loss covered under that policy. Simply put, when something insured goes wrong, you claim your benefits. So there are two types of claims I want us to know about. And they are as follows. One, we have a life insurance claims, which covers death claims, covers maturity claims. Maturity claims is if, for example, you do a life insurance, you did it for 5 years, 10 years, 15 years. At the end of that duration, it is matured, so we call it a maturity claim. Then we have the survivor benefits. Also, we have the general insurance claims. We have various motor accident claims, fire damage claims, theft burglary claims, accident, health, medical claims. They are all other various types of claims under the general insurance claims. So let's go on to the claims process, a step by step. Once an event occurs or a claim occurs, you must notify the insurance company or your consultant. So step one is notification of loss. So the insurer informs the insurance company immediately. Otherwise, delay may lead to rejection. Step two is a claim form to be submitted. So you pick up a claim form, fill and submit the claim form, and attach supporting documents with the claim forms. Step three, documentation. Police report if it's for a theft or accident claim. Medical reports attached to the claims form if it's a health insurance. Death certificate if it is a life insurance. Step four, investigation. How do we know if the event occurred, if there's an actual claims? So that is where you have the step four investigation. The insurance company will have to verify the claim. Most times they may assign a loss adjuster. A loss adjuster is the person that will go to actually verify if such an event occurred. The next step is step five, assessment of loss. The loss adjuster will have to ascertain the value of damage or loss and if it's calculated and to be calculated. Then step six, approval or rejection. So if valid, claims is approved. If not, claims will be rejected with reasons. Step seven, payment, indemnification. That is when, if it's approved, then the insurance company will go ahead to pay you. So compensation is paid to the insured. Now, principles applied in claims. We want to know what are the principles applied in claims. First principle is indemnity. Insurance company wants to restore insured to the original position, which is very key because that's the main idea for the insurance. It has to be restored. The second one is utmost benefit. There must be honest disclosure after an event has occurred. Subrogation, insurer recovers from third party. If a third party is involved, insurance company will pay you, and you will submit the documents of the third party, and the insurance will go and cover. That is under subrogation. If it's a contribution, if there are multiple insurance companies involved, they will share the loss. So in summary, it focuses on the claim process, teaches how insurance pays compensation. This is what the claim process is all about. So we want to know, what are the reasons claims are rejected? Number one is non-disclosure of important facts. If there are some vital facts that are not been declared, then it will be rejected. When it's a fraudulent claims, if, for example, the loss adjuster had assessed that no, it never existed, it will be rejected. If your policy had expired, if, for example, the policy was from January of a particular year and it's supposed to end in a December, and the event occurs in January or February of the next year, the following year, then it's not under cover. The claims will be rejected. 4, claims not covered under the policy. If, for example, if it's a fire insurance claim and it's a flood, then flood is not stated in the policy document, it will not be covered, paid. Then when you do submit a late reporting, it's a time-bound period, it will not be settled. So what are the claim settlement methods? 1, cash payments, could give cash, could repair if it needs repairs after getting the estimates, or there's a replacement of a part or reinstatement, or the insurance company brings it back to where it was before. So it restores the property where it was before. Importance of claims management. What are the importance? It builds customer trust. It improves the insurance company reputation. It ensures fairness. It prevents fraud. What are the claim settlement methods? Like we said earlier on, cash payment, repair, replacement, reinstatement, restore property. What are the importance of claims management? It builds customer trust. It improves company reputation. It ensures fairness, and it prevents fraud. Now, we move on to our quiz now to find out how far we have understood what we have learned today. Quiz 1. What is a claim? A claim is, we have the A, B, C, and D answer. The answer is request for payment under insurance. That's what a claim is. 2, what is the first step in filing a claim? The answer is report the incident to insurer. 3, supporting documents for claims usually include the following: A, B, C, D. What will be the answer? The supporting documents would be A, policy documents, incident reports, receipts. Quiz 4, claims assessment is done to, what's the answer? A, B, C, D. The answer is a B, verify loss and approve payment. I hope by this you will understand, this will make us really understand what we've discussed about the claim process. So we have come to the end of Module 4. Thank you so much for watching and listening. This is a call to action. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel to learn more about insurance, how and it can protect your future. Here on the screen, you can see the numbers, following numbers and email, where if you have questions you want to ask, please feel free to ask and we'll get back to you. So watch out for a Module 5, where we're talking about insurance regulations and supervision. Bye, and see you in the next module.